Yeah, it is. Yeah, but we just need the landscaping to be better. You say how many what? You, yeah, yeah, that's fine. Whatever you recommend, you're the professional. Whatever you recommend, I'm cool with it. Cause I saw your work, I know you do really good work. Yeah, we don't wanna take the bushes out, we just want it to look nice. We wanna update the landscape. Yeah, so are you able to like look at the house and give us a good price for, what the landscaping would be, updating? Yeah, the same color as the original house. Whatever you recommend, maybe the one that's darker, I don't know. I think yeah, 7,800, what, similar to that. Okay. I'm gonna say these things. What you say now?
Oh, this doesn't open.
Yo, I usually keep the front locked. Actually, I don't think this key even goes to that. I think you're gonna have to change the lock.
It's unhinged.
Oh.
Yeah.
So yeah, I usually go through the back.
I was just trying to understand the structure.
layout. Yeah.
Yeah. So that is the front, and that one level is a unit,
Correct.
and then the next unit has 2 levels.
Correct. Yeah. So it's duplex up.
Yeah, that's interesting.
So the person on the second floor will have more bedrooms.
Yeah. So
And
this is the
the
2-bed one.
more.
Okay. So this is a 2-bed 1 bath, and that's a.
So this is how they would enter. This is the first unit. This floor is their entire apartment.
So this is the living room.
Living room.
I
Yeah.
see. Bedroom.
Bedroom.
Bathroom.
Bathroom. Kitchen.
Uh-huh.
And another bedroom.
I see.
Yeah.
That
And
makes-
this is your enclosed back porch, which people usually have some type of little sitting area out here.
Okay.
Some people turn this to whole like beauty salons or something. Like people get
What?
creative with this. Yeah. Like if they're a hairstylist and they do that on the side or whatever, this will end up being like their salon area.
Wow.
But it's a sitting area, you know.
I think so. This is accessible to both units, though.
No. So this is the first floor. They will be able to get to the exterior door. But you could walk up these stairs to get upstairs, but this door is the back door. This is the back door
Oh,
to the
I
unit.
see. So
like we go upstairs. If I'm the first floor tenant, I don't have keys to your unit. I can't get in because you see, this is the door that closes off. This is the exterior door,
oh,
so this would be closed.
I see.
So now,
But they
these two
could
levels-
technically go down there if they wanted to.
this person?
This person, they could just go out of here. And
Yeah, this person can go down as far as going out of the unit, but the first floor, their exterior door is here.
Right, but they can go to the little area, is what I'm saying.
Correct.
Oh,
This
okay.
is just the back porch.
So both can go to the area. Both
Well, this
units.
is their area up here. This is really part of the kitchen.
But that area, they both can reach.
Correct.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
That's cool. Okay, but this is like their kind of.
This is their living space. So this is the exterior. This will obviously be closed. But downstairs, this is the extended back porch.
Gotcha.
But up here, this is almost kind of like a eating kitchen, dining area. Because you're going to have some bar stools or something here to entertain guests. You might have additional seating right here. But now that's your kitchen. And then this duplex is up.
Gotcha. Okay. I see. So And then this is just a storage pantry or something.
So we can go back to the front and walk the unit again.
Okay.
And then we can go to the duplex upstairs.